Sunday morning, and this is the 2-minute practice session that they get. The mains have been set, and Matthew did a little bit of testing last night, changed some tire sauces. I think he also did some more shock changes, so we'll check in with him after this run and find out. But this will be a 2-minute practice session. And they're going to do a practice start as well, which is cool. And I'm going to go down the other end. There's a lot of giggling on the driver's stand. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. A lot of times these guys use this to kind of feel each other out on who's fast in the morning. They kind of race each other a little bit, especially if their cars are good. Ooh. That's not a great line. And that's Matt running with Caden Meeks, I think, behind him there. Caden actually qualified second overall, so that's awesome. He'll be in the mix. Is that Caden? I'm not sure. Looks like it is. Car looks pretty good this morning. It's a good sign. Looking at the lap times, he just did a 15.8, did a 15.7 hot lap. He actually has the hot lap of this group right now. We were joking in the pits that he's trying to do the biggest comeback ever from 6th to the national championship, 6 on the grid to national championship. He seemed in pretty high spirits this morning. The 15.8. The track's a little quicker from the looks of things, because everybody's kind of in the 15s pretty consistently. Well, maybe not consistently, but lower 16s. We always say don't TQ practice. Well, these are the practices you want to win. The warm-up main, basically, the 2-minute drill. Go out there and hot lap the field, give you some good confidence going into the mains. They're going to grid them up and do a practice start. Whoa, that's not great, guys. These guys are all up here giggling. They're having way too much fun in their very serious practice. So, Maddie checked in with a 15.5.
Alright, here we go. Driver ready, turn marshal heads up. We're going to go 3/4 of the lap and pull off at the end, guys. Here we go. Here we go. On the zone. Alright, guys, let's pull off. On the edge of the lap here, pull off here. Go ahead, pull off right here, guys.
There's way too much fun going on up there, obviously. Everybody's giggling and laughing and screwing around. I think that'll make for an interesting main. Look, guys, that's Jay Neal. I took him out 3 times at some nationals somewhere. He reminds me about it all the time, back in my on-road days. Sorry, Jay. Sorry, buddy. Well, Sunday Fun Day here at the Roar Nationals. Matthew just got done with his 2-minute drill.
Yeah.
Car looks great. We followed along with you, and I say it looked racier than it's looked all weekend.
Yeah. Thanks to Paul Lemieux from Gravity RC. I was thinking like last night, I'm like, I mean, there's this one sauce that he's made that I haven't tried yet. So it was, it was the fastest I've gone all weekend.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, I think of this earlier, but
of all the things to try, to forget the easiest thing to try.
Yeah, the sauce.
A different sauce.
Yeah.
Rebuild the car 10 times. Then you didn't change anything else
No.
in the car from last night.
no, I literally just took it off the
that-
shelf because
This morning, this was the first time you've run it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was for sure Simon and Garfunkel, you know, sadness like last night in the pits. But I mean, I start 6th. I don't know if there's anything cool that could happen, but I got ran over at the start due to being too nice. And I mean, I just don't want to cause any havoc.
Yeah.
But it sounds like
Little elbows up is going to be needed. Yeah. It's hard to get to the front being patient.
Yeah,
and nice,
exactly.
So he's going to make it happen.
Yeah.
So this is a quick one we're going to do for you because the A mains are going on. It starts with A1. So we're going to do the coverage of that one and come back. So we should have 4 fresh race vlogs for everybody today as well. Let us know what you think in the comments. It helps a lot, keeps us fired up. If you've got questions or stuff, ask. We'll try to remember to check them and answer them. It's a little harder during the day because the upload gets done right before we're shooting, but we'll give it our best, everybody. And thanks everybody for the feedback. It's been awesome. We definitely appreciate it. It's been he's bragging to me about how popular the vlogs is because he's on it. So
anyone for the looking for tech stuff or nerd stuff, I have turned the motor timing down.
Oh, that's right. He stuck with the little bit lower time. How much did you turn down?
It went from 50 to 48. So 3 degrees.
3 degrees. What did you say?
50 to 48.
Oh, 50 to 48. That's 2 degrees.
Oh, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7.
This is what I do.
6, 7. I'm dyslexic. Okay, this is hard.
All right, that's it. Well, we'll see you guys soon.
We'll see ya.